Hello students, today we are learning lesson 8.3.2 together, classifying angles. Before we moving on, may you please have your homework out and check your answer from the previous lessons. Lesson today, you are looking around, you will see angles everywhere. So we are learning how to classify angles, how to name the angles. Use your protractor to identify those special names, those special angles. So take a look over the problem A66. We're learning the vocabularies together. An angle, this is an angle, is formed by two rays, first ray, second ray, with a common endpoint. So a ray, this is another ray, is a line that has an endpoint and extends infinitely in a particular direction. The point right there, where the two rays share a common point, we call it a vertex of the angle. The right angle is the one that has the angle equal to exactly to 90 degrees. Acute angle is an angle has the number measurement less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is the angle has more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Question A66, they wanted us to use the protractor to find the measure of each angle and classify the name of each one of them. So question A, angle A right here. It's not easy for us to see. So angle is about rotation. I am going to rotate my angles in a way that make it easy for me to get the answer done. Okay, I'm gonna rotate my angle this way. You can rotate your textbook however you want. So it's easy for you to read your angle. So this is the one that's easy for me to read my angle. Now I am going to use my protractor, okay, to find how big my angle is. First, I have to make sure the center of my rotation, this is my center of rotation. This is the one, center of rotation. Match my vertex. So this point right here, the vertex right here, match the vertex, the center of the rotation. So I'm gonna match them. Okay, I'm going to match them up. Then after it, I will make sure the ray, this is the ray, one of a ray match 0 degrees, 180 degrees. So I'm gonna make sure it's matched 0 degrees, 180 degrees. All right, so now I'm looking for how big my angle is. So let's try 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, up here. Let's go up here. So 30 degrees is gonna be 35 degrees. This is an acute angle. Some student was telling me, wait a minute, is it 150, 140? So between 150, 140 degrees, it should be 145. No, if you think it's 145 degrees, it's supposed to be obtuse angle. It's supposed to be the one that passing 90 degrees, over 90 degrees. From here to here, it's not over 90 degrees yet. Okay, so 145 degrees is not correct. The answer should be 35 degrees. Next, angle B. Okay, so same thing. I am going to rotate my angle B in a way that I prefer, so it's easier for me to read. Same thing, vertex, this is my vertex right here. My vertex has to match the center of rotation. So these two has to match. I'm going to match them up. The center of rotation match the vertex. So these are matching, yes. And 0 degrees, 180 degrees straight line has to match one of array. So I'm gonna match them one of array. Right, one of array. There we go. Oops. Right. There we go. So now I'm gonna find out how big it is. 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, past 90, 100, 110, 120. So my angle right here is 120 degrees. It is obtuse angle. Some student was telling me before, wait a minute, it should be 60 degrees. It should not be 120 degrees. Well, if you think it's 60 degrees, it has to be acute angle and it has to be less than 90 degrees. Take a look on our angle from this ray to another ray. It's past 90 degrees. So it's past 90 degrees. That means it has to be bigger than 90 degrees. Okay, so 60 degrees is not the right answer. This is answer B, 120 degrees obtuse angle. All right, continue. Question C. Same thing, I am going to rotate my angle in a way that I prefer to, okay? Whichever way I want. Let's say this way. All right, I'm going to match my center of rotation right here with my vertex. So I'm gonna match them. You can rotate your textbook however you prefer. I'm gonna match one of the ray. This is one of my ray. Match with 0 degrees, 180 degrees, or with 100, or with straight line of your protractor. The other ray tell you exactly what is your angle measurement equal to. So this one, let's try to see how big it is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this angle is 90 degrees. And if it is 90 degrees, it is a right angle. And so this is your answer C. Moving on. Question D. I'm going to rotate the angle in the way that I want to. Okay. All right, rotate my textbook back. All right, question D. A straight line is also called a straight angle. Draw a straight line or a straight angle on your paper. Okay, I'm gonna draw it. Straight line. This is what we call 180 degrees. Okay. Next one. Find a mistake if you have any mistake on problem A67. If you see any mistake, then make the correction. So take a look for A. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? Okay. This is your angle. This student doesn't know how to use his protractor. Okay, this is the angle. So this is not the way to get the answer done correctly. So what happened? She or he doesn't put the vertex of your angle match with the center of your projector. These two, they don't match. It has to match. Question B. This is your angle. The student, again, doesn't know how to use the projector. Okay? If you know how, tell them. All right. Align the ray with 0 degrees. This is your ray. This is your ray. Is it matching with your 0 degrees right here? This is your 0 degree. The line of your ray, one of your rays has to match your straight line of your projector. It is not matching. This ray doesn't match. The red ray doesn't match with the blue line. Another red line or red ray doesn't match with your blue straight line of your projector. Okay, continue. Next one. Question C. This is your angle. Yay. Not easy for me to draw her. So center match vertex. It has to align the ray with 0 degrees. Okay. If not, then it's not correct answer. Question D. Angle has to be 60 degrees. Okay, take a look for this one. This angle right here. Okay, let's draw the red one so you can see it easy. This angle right here has to be 60 degrees. Wow. Is it true? Is it 60 degrees? No. It's supposed to be 120 degrees. Okay. Because it's past 90 degrees from here to here. This angle from here to here. It's past 90 degrees. It's more than 90 degrees. It's obtuse angle. It should be 120 degrees. Okay. A68. Complementary angles, when you add the sum of the two angles, it equals 90 degrees. The sum is equal 90 degrees. We call it is representing complementary angles. When we have two angles, we add them up, the sum is 180 degrees. We're calling these two angles supplementary angles. So same thing, use your projector to get the angle A. So if you use your projector, your angle A right here should be 127 degrees. Your angle B right here should be 53 degrees. And question C right here, it should be 37 degrees. Okay. All right, to demonstrate it one more time, so you can see how I use my projector, I would like to demonstrate one more time. If you still do not know how to use your projector, let me know as soon as possible. All right, let's find out. Let's say I'm going to rotate my paper however I want. Let's try to do question B or question C, however I want. Let's look at angle C, okay? Easy for you to see. Okay, now I'm gonna use my projector. Scoot over. Can I scoot it over? So scoot it over. Yes. Make sure the center of rotation match your vertex. So center of rotation. Okay, match the vertex. There we go. The ray, one of array has to match the straight line of your projector. Match 0, 180 degrees. So let's see how big it is, okay, for angle C. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, past 35, 36, 37. So angle C is 37 degrees. From here to here, 37. From here to here, 37 degrees. Yes? All right. I'll remove this one out and rotate your question back. Put out. All right. Clear this one up. All right. So if you add angle A, what is your angle A? 127 degrees. Plus angle B, which is 53 degrees. Add them up. It equals to 180 degrees supplementary angles. Angle B is 53. Add angle C is 37. Add them up, the sum is 90 degrees. So we call it complementary angles. Okay. So with your team, come up with strategies to remember definition of complementary and supplementary angle. Well, from last year, complementary angles begin with letter C. So we have C stand for complementary angle. Complementary angle is 90 degrees. So C, draw the line straight down. It's 90 degrees. Complementary angle again, letter C, draw the line straight down, 90 degrees. Okay. Supplementary angles begin with letter S. So this is supplementary, begin with letter S. Draw number 8 from letter S. So it is 180 degrees. So this is supplementary angles. Okay, begin with letter S. Form letter S, make letter S, line number 8, form number 8, 180 degrees. If you have any other way, any other strategies better than this, please email me. I will be very happy to share your strategies with your friends for the next couple lessons. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.